go. Hello, everybody. I am Carrie Knopf, your host, and I put in the video that I printed out not too long ago today, an ice cream from Purple Cow brand from Myers, and it is Midnight Black Raspberry, and it has black raspberry ice cream with blackberry swirls. So it's got blackberry and raspberry, and it's also got chocolate. Here is what it can't really look well, but it is blue ice cream, and you can see the swirls and everything. And there's the logo with the actual top of the ice cream. Today's temperature was 67. It's 66, but it's clouding over. But here's a better, okay, yeah. Here's a better angle. We got like Mr. Spoon here, which I am going to do a taste test with. Now, I probably will try, like I said before, the Lucky Charms Frosted Flakes, which I know I'm not going to like, but I'm going to do anyway. So, let's try the ice cream here. I'll give you like a better close-up of the ice cream here today. Here we go. Oh, that's good. I was really apprehensive of trying this, but it is really, really good. Oh, yes. And it's also an anniversary week for me. March the 8th, I got my 1K at Carolina Hillbilly 1961. On my dad's birthday, which is tomorrow actually, March 11th, I got my community tab, and I could have gone live on Friday the 13th, but I did not know until the next day, which was March the 14th, that I could. So this Sunday will mark my very first live stream after reaching my 1K, and I wanted to put this out on a video too. Like I said, I want to thank Carolina Hillbilly for helping me get to my 1K, and to all of my subscribers that come to my lives, and to all of my subscribers for whatnot, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to go live and to share part of my life with you, and really, really good ideas. And I'm also going to thank the Grow channels that also helped me too. There is so many to name. Pops, Expedition, Greg, Brenda Land, Think Dragon. I know there's more, but I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart to give me this opportunity to share my life with you. So I am Carrie Knopf, your host, and I'll see everybody next time. Bye-bye.